Happy Friday, boys and girls. It's been a great week. I hope you have had a fabulous week. We are going to do our last word problem for this week. So get ready. I'm going to model some strategies. There were 8 birds sitting in the tree. 7 of those birds flew away. How many birds are left in the tree? One more time. There were 8 birds sitting in the tree. 7 of those birds flew away. How many birds are left in the tree? Well, I got to figure out what this problem is asking us to do. I see some numbers. I heard some words. I heard some things like birds flew away, and we want to know how many are left. Those are some clues that help me know that I am going to need to add or subtract. Correct, we do. We need to do subtraction. We need to do minus or take away. Good. Now we need to figure out what numbers are important. So the problem started off with some birds sitting in the tree, and there were 8 birds sitting in the tree. Okay, so I'm going to draw 8 birds. And remember, I just draw dots. 6, 7, 8. And I go back and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? And then it said 7 of those birds flew away. That means they left. They're gone. So I'm not going to put any more on, but I'm going to take some away. And I show taking some away by crossing them off. So I'm going to cross off 7 birds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I circle what's left, but I'm going to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, how many are left? I have 1 bird left in the tree. Okay, so I started with 9 in the tree. Nope, I'm sorry. I made a mistake, so sorry. I started with 8 birds in the tree. And then 7 of those birds flew away. So I need a minus sign or a subtraction sign. Minus 7. And I want to know how many birds were left. And we figured out that there was 1 bird left. So 8 minus 7 equals 1. Okay. I also can use a 10 frame. I like using 10 frames. You can draw them, or if you have them handy, you can just use a 10 frame and put counters or dots or different things in it. But to make a 10 frame, draw a rectangle, 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Draw a line in the middle from the left to the right, and then 4 lines down from the bottom to the top. Good. So, see if I can get it right this time. There were 8 birds sitting in the tree. Okay, so I'm going to show 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know that's 8 because when 2 are empty, that means that it's 8, because 8 and 2 more, if those were here, would be 10. But because I don't have those 2, it lets me know there's 8. But I check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Now I need to cross off 7 birds because 7 birds flew away. Choose this one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it tells me easily how many do we have left? 1. So, started with 8 birds, and then 7 of those birds flew away, and it left me with 1 bird. Great job, boys and girls. We are so proud of you. You are all working hard. Know that we are all missing seeing you in class every day. So remember, be kind to mommies and daddies and grandmas and aunts and grandpas. Be sweet to brothers and sisters. Don't forget to practice your math and read every day. We love you, and we'll see you later. Bye.